about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Trevor and I are going on vacation right now. My face is really red because I wanted to get Sophie out and running so that she got all her energy out, because we're going to be handing her off to my parents. So we need to make sure that she doesn't have all her energy. So I got a nice workout in this morning, but I'm going to be sharing with you guys what it is that I eat when I'm on vacation, as well as some of my like kind of weird travel hacks and things that I bring that I didn't realize were weird and that everyone else didn't do. So I'm going to share that with you guys so you guys can see how you can be healthy while on vacation and still achieve your wellness goals. But first, coffee. Yeah. So Trevor and I actually couldn't really finish our coffee this morning. We were in a little bit of a rush, so in order to still get our coffee, we brought along these pocket purities. And what these are really cool for, what I'm a really big fan for, especially for traveling, is that they're really great because you can just like make them like tea. So it's really simple. We also brought, Trevor, will you hand me the cream? Yeah. Okay, since I didn't really feel like having the whole like blender set up, you totally can. You can bring like a little thing of butter and coconut oil if you want to. But since I didn't really feel like doing that, I just decided to bring a little thing of cream that Trevor and I are gonna split here. This is about maybe 2 ounces. So it's less than the 3.5 ounces that the airport requires. So this combination is great because you can order hot water once you get inside the airport. Then you can just use your little tea sachet and then you can either bring along your own butter or coconut oil with a little like hand blender. But today I just decided to use the heavy whipping cream. Alright, so Trevor and I had kind of a long flight, so I just packed us lunch. I made us this cucumber feta combination, some celery and almond butter, a couple hard-boiled eggs, and I made sure to open those eggs in advance so they didn't stink up the plane, and that actually worked out pretty well. I also wanted just a little bit extra protein, so I got this for us to split. It's grass-fed type, it's kind of like a jerky, so it was a good option to have on the plane. Trev and I just stopped to get groceries, so for like breakfasts, and we came outside of Whole Foods and it is downpouring, like thunder, lightning. Trevor went and ran and got there's a literal waterfall. Can you see that? Wait, watch out. Oh my gosh, an actual waterfall. We're not in California anymore.
Oh, you see lightning strike?
Yeah, I literally just turned on the camera and it like lit up my face.
Shit.
Well, I was about to say all the things that we got from Whole Foods, and then there's like a thunder that just, or lightning that just practically struck our car. Well, what we got from Whole Foods, while we are in this traffic of not even a mile from my sister's house, but it's just downpouring, so you can't drive fast. But we got some cashews, we got some frozen fruit to make the smoothies, some Greek yogurt. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me right now because it's downpouring so much. Trevor has to concentrate so hard and we're going 11 miles per hour. So we got stuff to make smoothies, and we also got a little bit of cheese just for like something fun right now. So hopefully we make it out of this non-California weather, okay? We made it. Good morning. So something I forgot to show you guys last night that I wanted to show you bright and early, literally just woke up, still in pajamas. I wanted to show you how I bring my travel supplements. So this will mostly have, I'm not sure if you hear my sister's dog screeching. Ow! I have Celtic sea salt for the mornings, magnesium. I do bring charcoal in case I feel like I ate something that doesn't like agree with my stomach. So I have that for kind of a just in case. And then I also have vitamin C. So these are the main supplements that I like to bring when I'm traveling. And I took one of the magnesiums last night and it helped me get some really great deep sleep. My sister's making coffee right now, so let's go see what she's doing. Coffee. Oh. Eating healthy on vacation is a lot easier when your sister drinks keto coffee too. One thing that we did do is that we did bring up some extra purity coffee because we didn't want to steal all of hers. So we brought up a complete bag so that we could have our keto coffee cheers in the morning. Keto coffee cheers. Good morning. Good morning.
Looking at coffee shops, of course. First thing that comes up is the blogger.
Oh, wait, that's great because that was one of my tips that I wanted to share on here on how to find healthy restaurants. Remember my search term? Trevor just reminded me of one of my healthy hacks that I have for when I'm traveling. And when you're looking for a healthy restaurant, that's good tasting too. What I always search is healthy, trendy blank restaurant in blank city. So it'd be like healthy, trendy coffee restaurant in St. Louis, healthy, trendy breakfast restaurant in London. And the reason why the trendy part is really important is because if you don't put that, then you're just going to get what is it, Travelocity? No, that's the,
yeah.
What's that called? Not Travelocity, travel, whatever. You'll get one of those standard lists that show just what everyone else, what they're known for, but not the cool local spots. When you put in the trendy part, I feel like you always get the local bloggers, so you're more likely to get the cool scoop on the healthy restaurants that are also going to taste good. Also says Paris. Petty. Oh, okay, so which one are we looking at? You want a coffee shop? Did you write healthy, trendy?
Pop sugar.
But you didn't put the city. See, that's what
you're
I'm
right. Healthy, trendy coffee shop.
Trevor, keto coffee cheers.
Oh, yes.
We're going to the zoo today, so we're finding some cool spots around there to eat at. We'll get back to you guys. Something Trev and I always really like to do is go on a walk if there's a park wherever we're visiting. Like in London, one of our favorite things to do is walk around Hyde Park. So my sister told us to come check out, what's this park called? Forest Park. And we went to the zoo, and this is just so beautiful and so peaceful. And it's a good way to get steps in while also exploring a new city.
Yeah.
Except we're only at 4,000 steps. We need to get some walking
in.
Let's step. We're making steak tacos with homemade corn tortillas made from masa harina. Also, tomatillo salsa. So homemade tomatillo salsa.
And some homemade tortillas.
That's what I said. Oh, and for the guac, we have jicama with lime juice on top to act as the cheeks. I'm back from vacation. I never really fully finished that video. There are a lot of other things I wanted to share with you guys, like the types of workouts I get in and how it is that I optimize sleep when I'm on vacation and exactly what I do to get my walking in, different types of tips and strategies that I think would be really helpful. So I'm going to be making like a part 2 to this in the future with additional tips and strategies. I want to dive into more specifics on what it is, like how it is that I create my meals for the plane. But again, part 2 is coming fairly soon, I think. Fingers crossed. But I kind of just stopped filming after that night because it was just kind of nice to relax, to be honest. It was nice to spend some time with my family and just not think for a little bit. My brain is always working, so it's nice to not do that for a second. So stay tuned for that part 2 for this travel series. But in the meantime, if you want some more details on what I eat in a day and strategies that you can use, make sure you check out my video right here. Also, if you're new to my channel and you love what's typically my science-backed information, make sure you subscribe right here. I come out with new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. All right, guys, I hope these tips really helped you out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.